This is a North Carolina Amber Alert for a child abduction. The Durham Police Department is attempting to locate Anita Hooper. Anita Hooper is a 16-year-old black female, approximately 4 feet 5 inches tall, weighing 100 pounds with brown hair and brown eyes. Anita Hooper was last seen wearing a blonde bonnet, orange basketball jersey, and gray shorts. She was last seen at 1802 Andrew Avenue bus stop in Durham. She was abducted by 3 black males wearing masks in an unknown make blue truck. This is a North Carolina Amber Alert for a child abduction.
Maybe the new norm, with warming temps in the air and in the water, fueling more intense storms during hurricane season. In fact, meteorologist Felicia Combs is going to explain the connection and what it means for those of us in the path of those storms.
This is what it looked like when Hurricane Ian hit Florida in September